how to manage UAFAs and IPEP. Once you've entered the AORI number under company information, when you go on the application fraction tab in IPEP, you will find all UAFAs that are stored centrally in copies retrieved with the status and the status date. You will find that the expiration date of the UAFA is indicated. If 3 months before the expiry of the UAFA, the expiration date turns red, for you to take notice and to be warned. The system also sends you an email warning you 3 months before the expiration date that the UAFA needs to be renewed. It's early warning because, as you know, customs have 30 days to examine UAFA extension requests. So we warn you with quite a early warning for you to be aware. There are a number of action buttons next to each UAFA depending on the status on which the UAFA is in. So if an UAFA can be renewed, you will find this play button that you know from the previous version, where you can request an UAFA extension. So if an UAFA wants to, and it's a plain extension with no amendment, it's just extending the lifespan of the UAFA for a further year. When you click on it, you will find that all the information of the UAFA is already filled in. You just need to identify yourself as a requester. And you can identify if you are the holder of the decision or if you are the legal representative that fights on behalf of the holder. And then you click on next, and automatically the PDF is generated for the extension, and you can send it off. As you know, for the time being, you still need to print the extension request out, sign it, and send it to the submission country per post. We're working on a digital signature that will be ready soon, and then you will be able for quite a while to opt between the digital signature or the paper signature until the digital signature becomes mandatory, and then we will get completely rid of the paper. For the time being, it works as for the pre-UAFAs. The UAFA extension request is sent off electronically, and then you receive an email with the link to the PDF of the extension request, so you can print it out, sign it, and another link with all the addresses of the customs authorities that receive the UAFAs, where you can look up the address of the submission country and send the request per post.